This demo shows how the Kanban Administration Workspace monitors Kanban execution and helps prevent supply disruptions across material flow. Marie, the Kanban administrator responsible for maintaining card sizing, exceptions, and production continuity, opens the Kanban Administration Workspace and sees an AI-generated summary of shortage risks and replenishment delays that need attention. Next, Marie reviews stock anomalies that could disrupt point-of-use material flow, including quantity mismatches and shortage signals. In supply exceptions, she sees Kanban cards and items that have not moved within the expected timing threshold. The Priority Actions panel guides Marie to the most important actions for preventing shortages, overstocks, and line disruptions. The workspace recommends generating and replenishing one-time Kanban cards to prevent an immediate stockout. Marie also reviews supplier replenishment delays that could affect flow and production continuity. For delayed supplier activity, the agent prepares a draft communication aligned to the replenishment context. The workspace runs scheduled or on-demand calculations using historical demand and pull parameters to recommend optimal card counts or lot sizes. For this pull sequence, the agent has calculated that demand now requires 4 cards in circulation instead of the current 3. Marie reviews and accepts the updated card recommendation directly from the workspace. Now, Marie uses Ask Oracle to check the risk for a specific item. Ask Oracle returns the relevant shortage and movement information for item CM65003, helping Marie decide the next action. The Kanban Administration Workspace helps Kanban administrators like Marie detect and prioritize supply exceptions and prevent shortages, so production flow continues.